Welcome to the final part of this video. In this video, we are going to add a download button to our AI code editor to download all the codes. Let's see how we can do that. So in our app.js, we're going to create a new variable. We're going to call it const download button. And this will just be some JSX. It will be a button text. Inside that, we want a download icon. So again, let's search for download icon as VG. And we can click on this link, search for download, and I like this one. Open it in VS Code, copy this, close, and paste it here. And the size is actually very big, so let's make it smaller. Let's say 28 pixel by 28 pixel. And our button will have some class. I can paste them, and let me explain what are the classes. So we're seeing cursor pointer and size will be 16, so it will be 64 pixel in width and height. The background will be blue. We're giving a display of flex and justify center and item center to place the icon in center, rounded dash full to make the button round. And we're also giving it a position absolute, a bottom of 4, which means 16 pixel from the bottom, and left 50%, finally translating it by negative 50% and giving it a z index of 10. And for our SVG, the path can be white. So find the fill and give it white. Same with this one. And let's just try to use our download button. Let's put it here. So download button, save. And this is our download button. This is looking nice. So initially we don't want to show our download button. So what we're going to do is const show download button. And set show download button, use state false. And here, instead of saying download button, we're going to say if show download button is true, only then show the download button. So initially we won't see the download button, but after the while loop, once we're done with generating all the codes, then we can say set show download button to true. Only then show our download button. Okay, now when the download button is clicked, we want to do something. So we're going to create a new function. We're going to call it download file, and it will not receive any arguments. It should be a function, and we can pass it in our download. So we're going to say on click download file, like that. Okay, for downloading them, we're going to use JS-zip. So search for JS-zip. Here is the library. In the terminal, we just have to run npm install JS-zip like this. Copy, paste, enter. And we can use it. So here, let's say import. We're going to import JS-zip from JS-zip library. Should be capital J. And in our download, we can say const zip equals to new JS-zip, and we're going to add our files with the file name and the code. So this will add the files to our zip, and then we're going to say zip.generate async to asynchronously generate the file. Then we're going to say link. We're going to create a HTML link tag. The href will be the create object URL of the content. So for the href, we're actually converting our zip into an object URL. Then we're saying link.download equal to code.zip, whatever the name of our file we want. And for a second, we're adding it to our document, clicking on the link and then removing it. So basically, we're clicking on the link and then removing the a tag. And hopefully this will work. Let's say something, for example, create a working digital clock. Click on send. And look at that, we have a working digital clock. Let's try to download our code. And it downloaded the codes. Let's try to open it in our VS Code. And we can see all our files. And if I open it, we can also see our file here. So everything is working. And just like that, we have created a fully functional AI code editor using React and Node.js. And of course you can improve it, so we can add another prompt to update our codes. You can save the codes to database, etc. But for this simple course, this was more than enough. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more amazing videos just like this.